Hello and welcome to the channel, and today we have a Ford Focus MK4 station wagon, so and I want to show you how to remove the backlights because these are full LED and it was a while since I had one of those. These are really nice looking when you turn it on, because look here, I don't know if you can see, but this is full LED and it has this all around here, so once you turn it on it's quite a nice one. So this one even have a tow hook, so might be something that I'm gonna show how to remove. We'll see if you need that. So these are the tools that I'm gonna use, and let's start from that left side because mostly that's the one. So we have these holders, okay, these go, okay, sometimes you just don't want to go out. So either you use the screwdriver to turn it around, but I would advise tool, because sometimes, yeah, you don't want to break this. It does break easily, so screw them out fully. And the hard part is that one little pin, but I mean this not so problematic, kind of easy and accessible. So yeah, those two. There is electricity over there, but we can unplug that later on. So that pin is somewhere around here. So let's see how lucky we are with this bad boy. I'm not sure if you're gonna see, but somewhere around here, I think so. Yeah, so that's why I have this plastic bad boy, and we're gonna try to take it out. This is a really delicate job because it does wanna break, and these are quite expensive, so I really don't wanna break them. But here you can, I don't know if you're gonna be able to see, but that pin is right there, so over here. So that's something that you wanna be careful, you don't wanna break. So it does wanna break over here, or the worst part somewhere around here. So what you wanna do, you wanna find that, you wanna have that pin over there and just wiggle it out a little bit. So wanna wiggle it as much as you can until it pops out. Oh, I had luck. So as you can see, exactly where it is, so around over here. So this was a bit lucky for me this time. So you take it out, and over here we have that gummy piece that prevents water coming in, and behind that, so I will need to unclip it from the inside. So over here, as you can see, you just pull it and click it. So it's just a clip, and then you can take it out. So I just clicked over here, and that's left one undamaged. But if you're taking out a damaged one, so that's not that big deal. So same thing over on this side. Here you have that module for active park assist and so on. So again, and undo these are, nobody changed this probably. So as you can hear, these were really tight, so probably nobody changed those ever. is one, and probably gonna be the same thing with the other one. Little easier, but still the clip was full in, so this might go a little harder to take out, but we'll see how lucky I am. So yeah, we'll see. I'm gonna unclip that electricity if I can find it. So it's probably somewhere, yeah, somewhere here. So plug is out, and once again you wanna start somewhere around here. So we will see how it go. So this one a little bit harder. I had to take that plastic cover out because the clip was holding it really tight. So over here, because this one stayed in, and I would advise to put something later on in this so it's easier if you have to change it again. I don't know, maybe some oil, something like that. So we have another one, and I'm gonna put that bad boy back in, so it goes like this, I believe, yeah. So you turn it inside like that and just click it in, so like that, until you don't hear that clicking sound. So moving on, we have these bad boys. For those you have to take out this plastic cover, and there is one pin inside. Again, toolbox, you turn it around, until it's fully out. So if you find this useful, be free to subscribe, comment, like, share. It will help me in growing the channel. If you have anything else that you would like me to show that I don't have already in the channel, no problem, write in the comments. So that's one holder, and there is one clip over here that I might need my plastic tool. I have this tool for like, I don't know, 10 years, maybe even more. Maybe time for some sponsors to show up. So clip is over here somewhere, and you have just wiggle it out or use the tool. So over here, let me show you, like over this. So yeah, this one went out with this clip, so you can see over here. So that's third light. I have one more to take out, and it's this bad boy over here. And this one is a little bit damaged. Somebody smashed something inside of that, but yeah, somewhere around here, so you can take it out. After that, just turn around this bad boy once, turn it fully out, not that hard to take out. That electricity plug once again, and yeah, probably gonna need plastic tool, we'll see, maybe not, depends how lucky I am, but usually yeah, usually gonna need it. So once again over here somewhere, and little wiggle. So this one really hard to take out, as I was suspecting, but yeah, that's basically all four of that lights. So I did manage to take them all out without making any damage to them, so that's always a nice thing. So yeah, that's basically that for this one. Stay tuned for more. We have a few more cars for removing. So if you have anything that you would like me to show, I will probably dismantle the whole this car and try to make as much videos as I can. So if you have something that I didn't make and you might need, or you think you need on how to, sure, write in comments, and I'm gonna try to make it. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, share, and see you next one.